Where are we going, Zaha? It's your birthday today. Where are we going? Where are we going? Come on. The park. There she is, excited to enter the Disneyland. It's her 7th birthday today. What's that, a bird? Amoy nga siya ng Belgian waffle. Approaching Hong Kong Disneyland. Entering and what do you call this? Disneyland with with this Mickey Mouse. Tingnan mo yan.
Mickey Mouse Tagalog version.
Roasted Mickey Mouse. At
Di ba ito naman si Mickey Mouse?
ayun na, babe. Disneyland City. Stroller. Hi! Heavy ba? Kasi sa ilalim mo. Hi, Zaha! Happy birthday, anak!
各位朋友早晨，歡迎你嚟到香港迪士尼樂園。請大家首先遊覽美國小鎮大街。樂園其餘園區將於10點正陸續開放，朋友們早上好，歡迎您來到香港迪。
Smile ka, baby!
各位朋友早晨，
Hi, Zaha!
歡迎你嚟到香港迪士尼樂園。
Hi!
為咗你嘅安全起見，請步行到你第一個目的地，切勿奔跑。
Kasi mangot naman.
多謝，
Zaha!
祝你有開心奇妙嘅一日，朋友們。
Wow!
We're now entering the dragon.
We're entering Takeshi Castle. Zaha, say hello. Look at her face.
Excited na siya pumasok.